Hello, hello, and welcome to this tutorial in Medical Slovene about gynecology as well as head, eyes, ears, nose, and throat. Gynecology. Sample medical history questions. Menstruation or period. Menstruacja. Menstrual cycle or menstrual period. Menstrualny cykl. Do you have regular periods? Ali imate redne menstruacije? How long does your period last? Kako dolgo traja vaš menstrualni cikel? When did you have your last period? Kdaj ste imeli nazadnje menstruacijo? Do you have any problems during menstruation? Ali imate kakšne težave v času menstruacije? Do you take any medication for menstrual problems? Ali jemljete kakšna zdravila zaradi vaših težav v času menstruacije? Do you have spotting between periods? Ali kaj krvavite v času med menstruacijami? How old were you when your period started? Koliko ste bili stari, ko ste imeli prvo menstruacijo? When did you stop having your period? Od kdaj nimate več menstruacij? Do you have heavy bleeding? Ali močno krvavite? Does your period last longer than 5 days? Ali vaša menstrualna krvavitev traja dlje kot 5 dni? How often do you have sexual intercourse per week? Kako pogosto imate spolne odnose v enem tednu? Do you have intercourse frequently with different partners? Ali pogosto menjavate spolne partnerje? Do you experience pain while having sex? Ali imate boleče spolne odnose? Do you have children? Ali imate otroke? How many children do you have? Koliko otrok imate? Have you ever been pregnant? Ali ste bili kdaj noseči? Have you ever had an abortion? Have you ever had a miscarriage? Ali ste kdajkoli imeli umetni splav? Ali ste kdajkoli imeli spontani splav? Or splavili? Is it possible that you are pregnant at the moment? Ali je mogoče, da ste noseči? Did you ever have unprotected sex? Ali ste kdaj imeli nezaščitene spolne odnose? Were there any complications during your last pregnancy? So bili kakšni zapleti v času vaše zadnje nosečnosti? When was the last day of your menstrual cycle? Kdaj je bil zadnji dan vašega menstrualnega cikla? How long did your period last? How strong was the bleeding? Kako dolgo je trajala vaša menstruacija? Kako močna je bila krvavitev? Do you have a gynecologist that you see or visit regularly? Ali imate izbranega ginekologa, ki ga redno obiskujete? Are there any problems with the pregnancy? Imate kakšne težave z nosečnostjo? Contraception or birth control. Kontracepcija. Are you taking the pill? Which one? What is the name of the pill? Ali jemljete kontracepcijske tabletke? Katere? Kako se imenujejo? Do you use condoms? Ali uporabljate kondome? Do you use interuterine devices, for example the spiral? Ali uporabljate znotraj maternične vložke, na primer spiralo? Do you use a diaphragm? Ali uporabljate diafragmo? Are you taking the morning after pill? Have you ever taken the morning after pill? Ali jemljete jutranjo tabletko? Ali ste kdaj vzeli jutranjo tabletko? Do you use the natural method according to the calendar or the temperature method? Ali uporabljate naravno metodo za načrtovanje družine? na primer koledarsko ali temperaturno metodo? Would you like more information on birth control methods? Ali bi želeli več informacij o kontracepciji? What color is the discharge? Kakšne barve je izcedek? Do you have a fever? Ali imate vročino? Do you have any itching? Ali vas kaj srbi? Do you feel any burning while urinating? Ali vas peče med odvajanjem vode? Is it painful to have sexual intercourse? Ali vas boli med spolnim odnosom? Do you have any vaginal discharge? Ali imate kaj nožnega izcedka? Is it painful to urinate? Ali vas boli pri odvajanju vode? Do you feel pain during your menstrual cycle? Ali imate boleče menstruacije? Are your menstruations always painful? Ali so vaše menstruacije vedno boleče? Do you have anemia? Ali ste slabokrvni? Or ali imate anemijo? Have you ever had an STI? What about one of your sexual partners? Ali ste imeli kdaj spolno prenosljivo okužbo? Kaj pa kakšen od vaših spolnih partnerjev? Have you ever had an AIDS test taken? Ali ste se kdaj testirali za AIDS? Do you know if you are HIV positive? Ali veste, če ste HIV pozitivni? Have you noticed any knots in your breasts? Ste opazila kakšne zatrdline v vaših dojkah? Do you regularly perform self-breast examinations? Ali redno samo pregledujete vaše dojke? Since the start of menopause, have you had a menstruation or vaginal discharge? Ste imeli od začetka mene or menopauze kakšno menstruacijo ali nožnični izcedek? Spolni odnos. Sexual intercourse. Sex. Sex. To have sex. Sexati. To have intercourse. Imeti spolne odnose. To make love. Ljubiti se. Sexual contact. Spolni stik. Sexual partner. Spolni partner. Partners. Partneri. Head, eyes, ears, nose and throat. To feel congested. Imeti zamašen nos. To sneeze. Kihati. To have a cold. Imeti prehlad. A runny nose. Izcedek iz nosu. A stuffed nose. Zamašen nos. A cough. Kašelj. A sore throat. Boleče žrelo. A tonsil infection. Okužba mandljev or tonsil. Swollen tonsils. Otečeni mandli or tonzile. Sinus congestion. Zamašeni sinusi. Watery eyes. Solzenje oči. Hoarse voice. To lose one's voice. Hripav glas. Izgubiti glas. To have white spots or patches in the mouth. Imeti bele pike or lise v ustih. To have a coated tongue. Imeti obložen jezik. To have a toothache. Imeti zobobol. Cavity. Luknja v zobu. A loose crown, a filling. Razmajan zob, plomba. Bleeding gums. Krvaveče dlesni. To be nearsighted, to be farsighted. Biti kratkoviden. Biti daljnoviden. To notice changes in your vision. Opaziti spremembe v vidu. Cataract. Katarakta or siva mrena. Glaucoma. Glaukom. To be hard of hearing. Biti naglušen. Biti gluh. Biti gluha. 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 To wear a hearing aid. Uporabljati slušni aparat. To have ringing in your ears. Slišati zvonjenje v ušesu. Tinnitus. Tinnitus. Hearing loss. Izguba sluha. Sample medical history questions. Do you have a lot of mucus in your nose? Imate veliko sluzi v nosu. How good is your hearing? Kako dobro slišite? Do you wear a hearing aid? Ali nosite slušni aparat? Have you noticed changes in your vision? Ali ste opazili kakšne spremembe vida? Examination. Please open your mouth wide. Prosim, široko odprite usta. Stick out your tongue and say A. Iztegnite jezik in recite A. Press your tongue to the roof of your mouth. Pritisnite jezik ob nebo. Tilt your head up or down, please. Nagnite glavo navzgor or navzdol, prosim. Can you swallow for me? Lahko pogoltnete? Your throat looks a bit irritated. Vaše žrelo izgleda malo razdraženo. Please turn your head to the side. Prosim, obrnite glavo na stran. Touch your chest with your chin. Z brado se dotaknite prsnega koša. I will examine your eyes now. Please look straight at me or over my shoulder. Zdaj bom pregledal or pregledala vaše oči. Prosim, glejte vame or glejte čez mojo ramo. Look at my finger and follow it only with your eyes. Glejte moj prst in mu sledite samo z očmi. Keep your eyes focused on that spot. Osredotočite se na to točko. Okay, this is it. I hope you liked this tutorial and found it useful, and we invite you to check out all of the other tutorials that we've made.